Hey, what's up YouTube? I am Jimmy Sequence. Alright, so I'm making this video to talk about the new venture, sound system roll call. So we had the first event on the 5th last Sunday. Turned out pretty decent. Like the vibe, love the vibe. All we're looking for now is more support. And as you guys know, that venue is not necessarily the cheapest place to do things, but we're trying to do it and we're trying to build it. So the next event coming up is on the 19th. So we will have Sequence, Shocking Studio, Symphonic Sound, and Yardcore Sound. So those are the four sounds that we're gonna have on the 19th. That's Sunday the 19th, starting at 6 p.m. and going until 12. And again, the vibes was nice, but there's a couple of things that we're changing as it relates to the event. Initially, I said we weren't going to be doing a lot of dubs and whatever. We're still on the... Actually, no. I'm going to allow people to play what they want to play as long as they keep it clean. Let's say that. I don't want no whole bunch of cussing and carrying on, because that's not the vibe. But you can play your dub. Just play clean, decent dubs. You know, dubs that represent your sound, because it's definitely not a sound clash environment. But you are allowed to play your dubs as long as your dubs are clean. See? That part. So I'm not going to leak out against dubs, because I have dubs myself, right? So you can play your dubs, just don't, you know, it's not a clash. So keep it in that kind of vibe, you feel me? Yeah, we're trying to get women to come out to the event. So I'm going to encourage the men to bring their women and, you know, tell their women to tell their friends about it. Because it's not going to be an all men, sound men event. That's not the vibe. We want women there. A few women came out, but we need more women. And another thing, I feel like, and this is including myself, right? I felt like we played the sounds a little bit harder in that than we needed to, right? So we're going to have to kind of, when we're tuning the sound, when you string up the sound in the evening, in the early part, and there's no one there, we can play the sound as hard as we want, right? But once people come there, we have to kind of moderate it and, you know, bring it down a level so people can enjoy it and not, you know, talk about too much bass and this and that, because that's kind of what happened the other day. The four sounds was playing wicked, and yeah, we got a little carried away. So yeah, this time we're going to, again, when you string up, you can play your sound as hard as you want until you're comfortable, and then, you know, just dial it back a level or two, so especially the woman can enjoy it without any discomfort. Another thing that we're changing, because immediately after the first event, the price at the venue went up, boom, just like that. We had an agreement for X amount, and as soon as the first event was done, the price went up on the venue. So as a result, we're going to have to start charging $10. $10 is small anyway, but you know, it's four sounds, so we're going to charge a small $10 to kind of offset the cost of the place. There's no way you can go now for $10, so I would hope people wouldn't find that as a way to say, I mean, I don't go because, you know, they might charge this and they might charge that. It's $10. So in the interest of supporting the thing and building it, we're going to charge $10 to go in. Yeah, I feel like if we get the support, if we continue to get the support, it should build and be nice. Because everyone so far that came to the first event, the feedback has been really nice. Everybody loved the whole vibe, the whole idea, and the sound systems that were there. We're going to give everyone that have a big enough sound system to play in the venue, because again you have to have at least 8 bass speakers and the top ends to match. That would be 18s, 21s, whatever speakers you use, you know, 8 of them on the bass, and then you know you have your top ends to match it. So that's the vibe, right? So again, this coming Sunday the 19th, we have Sequence, Shocking Studio, Symphonic, and Yardcore. Each sound system is allowed to have like 2 DJs that play for them. Like we're trying to discourage the 20 pouchy, you know what I'm saying? The man them will show up with them laptop and every man lining up to play. We're not really trying to do that. So each sound system is allowed to have 2 DJs with them, and we're gonna try to keep it like that. Big up for the Lexus, cause you don't know, Patrick Lexus is on the bill. He's the MC. He keeps everything in order. You know, Lexus is the man around the place. So yeah, food and refreshment will be there. You know, we have the bar, and you know there'll be food there. So come early and enjoy the place with us. Again, that's from 6 in the evening until 12 at night, and that is every first and third Sunday. I will make a video after every event, or before every event, and I will record the event. By the way, this event that just went by, because I was setting up the sound system, I actually handed off recording duties to someone, and the entire event was recorded in slow motion. So I will not have a video for the first event because it was recorded in slow motion. But the next one, I will make sure that I have someone that can record it for me while I set up the sound system, because I want to get the sound system set up in the video, you feel me? So yeah, next time I'll make sure I have somebody to record it, and we will have a video of the actual event. That's the next event on the 19th. Alright, so again, thank you guys for watching, and again, I'm going to ask people to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. I have the Sequence Sound, which is this one. I have Exotic Car Culture, which is my car channel. If you're into cars and you're a car enthusiast, check that channel out. ACC Driving School is my big channel. That one has over 20,000 subscribers, so check that out also. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.